Hello? Terus ada yang mana nih? Ada tadi yang ada tadi ada nih. Dari mana dia ada? Lagi ya. Sini kita ada lagi. Mau kau ada lagi ya? Mau saya? Hello? Saya di orang ini lagi ini dulu, ambil. Masih lama. Busan naik, nanti ada lagi busan naik. Busan naik, ini mana? Bukan naik. Baik, good night. Maaf, good night. Oh, hebat dari mana? Oh, hebat dari. Lagi ya? Ada yang mandian yang baik. Ada dulu. Oh, sudah mana? Sudah mana? I love you. Kau tadi kan? Mandian na ulit, gusto na.
Hello. Sorry, now I can talk. Okay, actually now the animation works fine. Now what I'm going to do is, if you go to a product list, we can bring some more details here actually, right? Because we didn't show the description about the product, and we have given specifications here. Though there we can see other details. So if you go the product model, you can see there are so many things here. So let's see what are the things not showing here that we can bring now. So product price name, all we have brought, text and all no need, category no need. So let's show the description there in the product details screen, so that we can see, we can show after where we can show that after the star, I mean the rating we can show, right? So I think, yeah, this is the rating ends here, and here let's say text description. Actually now these headings all is in the same color and size, so for that we can separately give, and we have here using so many dividers also. So let's work on all these things in a separate way. That is actually okay, first we need a size box there with some sizes, so that we can make here a common widget, a size box, and we will send the height or width. Okay, so let's say height and width, the both will be an integer, and it will return a size box with it will return a size box. So height, so if height is sometime we need only width, sometime we need only height, so how we can identify it here which one is given? So let's try height. Let's see height. If height is equal to null, if we don't send any height here, if it is equal to null, then if it is 0, otherwise height. So that's the plan. Otherwise height. But if, let's see, or if it is null, what will happen? Let's give like this. Height is equal to null. Then 0, otherwise we need to show height. And the same way width also like that. If width is equal to null, 0, otherwise width we want to show. Correct. So this is how it going to work. So what it says here, it's asking some error. What is the error? Okay, to double. Let's make it with the because it need not an integer, it need actually double. So you can mention as double here instead of int. Okay, if it is null, 0, otherwise height. Now you can see there is a black color, that is you can use this double question mark. Before that I was trying to do it play there. So instead of typing all these details, you can just put, that is if it is width is equal to null, 0, otherwise width. So that's what it is saying here. Let's see where we have used it. So here we have used a size box. So how we can use that one? Size box, it is asking for only width, right? So this one we need to bring inside a curly brace, named constructor. So let's say here now we need a width of before 8 was there, so I will put 8. Now there is an error here because we use a const here, so we can remove the const, then error should go. Okay, yeah, So same like that everywhere. So here we use a width of 10. So we can say sized box and width of 10. Instead of giving everywhere this const, we can give a const here itself. Actually, no, we cannot give because of this. Okay. Okay. Then here also given, and now if we come down like that, is there any other place we use? Let's see. Yeah. Here a width of 10. Sized box width of 10. Okay, and here height 10 is there, that also we can use sized box height 10. Here also same, so you can just copy that line and paste it. Okay, here it is width of 4, width of 4, height of 6, height of 10, height of 10, then height of 20, here also height of 20. Here we know it over 2, right? So we can give it here 30 instead of that. So okay, the next one used here, I mean the same thing used a lot is the divider. So divider also we will make like that. Colors dot gray, and actually here this is showing a little more, so we don't need that much actually. Let's reduce it the color, or we put the color gray, and the other property like thickness, what we have given here, I don't remember what we have given is thickness is given 1. So instead of that, what we can give is gray. Okay, let's reduce the gray shadow to 400. Shadow to 400. What is that divider spelling? Colors dot gray. Yeah, if you use a shade, you cannot use the const there. That is another things. Okay, now if you go down, the first divider comes. Okay, this is all the okay. Okay, here we have one divider. So divider. Yeah, I think this is enough actually. This much is not needed, correct? Okay, so like that we can change wherever we use the divider. Okay, here also one. Next we can use heading head text. This is another one. So the text we need to pass here, that will be a string, and that is return. What is that? Is the one which is in this gray color. So the first one we have here is specification, right? Specification. So this text we can copy and we will return the same thing as with and okay the text. Okay, that's all. Now if you come again, we can pass head text there. Specifications. Now we need to remove this const. Next is this delivery, also the same like that. So head text, delivery, then rating and review. Remove the const here, sorry for that, and again another this one you need to add a null check, so now it will work fine. Okay, now this description also we need to give the same way. Head text and description. After that, actually we need a divider also. The divider is gone now, so I will put a divider. Or I think we can remove the head here description. Instead of that, we can directly give the description actually. So with the height of 10, and I will say text widget dot product dot description. Widget dot product dot description. Okay, we'll add so many. I'll check here, one here and one more at the end. Yeah, now we got the description also here. Okay, now the specification. So now when we press the specification, we already made this bottom sheet. There we need to show other details. So how we can show that is, okay, so import material stateless widget. Let's say product bottom sheet, right? Okay, and it's a container, and container height, we let's say here same like that, we can give height of 600, and child we can give a column, and the column children, the first one we can give an app bar we can give a title of specifications. Let's give a size of font size let's give like 20, and trailing, okay, action we can give an icon button. The icon is when you press the icon, the bottom sheet should close. So to do that, icons dot yeah, this clear or close, anything you can give, and on press it. So when you press the icon, you can say navigator. Actually this we need the, okay, now sorry, like if you don't have more than one function there, you can give like this navigator pop.context. Yeah, so now let's see how it is showing in our app. I did a hot reload. Specifications. Okay, now I'm pressing here. So when you press, it came, but okay, we didn't call this widget there, right? So you need to call bottom product to bottom sheet, right? Product bottom sheet. You can see it came, right? So it's coming with the app bar. Actually, this is my this, what is this called? This app is a little bit slow here, but in my physical device it's actually working fine. So just ignore that. So this product bottom sheet, this app bar, we no need a color, so background color will be white, and we no need this icon also here. So for that, automatically leading you can give false, so that will go. If you give like that, the arrow mark will go. Okay, if you remove the color, now you can see there won't be any arrow mark. Should not be any arrow mark. Yeah, it's gone. Let's bring this okay, background color white, but the text also is white, right? So that is not good. So we need to change the color of the text to black, and we need to bring the title to center, or you can, instead of giving center, what you can do is center title, you can make it as true. So now you need to put a center widget, so it will come to the center. And here we have a closing button that is now not showing because of the color, so that you can change as icon theme data, and there you can give a color of black. And you can see there is a shadow here, we don't need that one. For that you can use elevation as 0. Now you can see the changes. Yeah, now it's perfect, right? Then this container, this one showing white, this is showing different color, so that also we will change to white color. The same way this bottom details green, if you come here, actually this is not white, I mean pure white, so that also we can change here as a background color. We will put as white, so it will show a little more brighter white color. Okay, now when you press here, okay, specifications, and inside the specifications, what is that? Bottom sheet. Okay, now we can show the details one by one. So what are the things we need to show? Let's go our model. So description we already shown. Scheduled date. This scheduled date we will use here, right? Scheduled date, what we can do is, okay, we'll work on that. SKU we will show at the bottom. Okay, let's go like that. First okay, we'll give the SKU. So text SKU, right? This one we need to bring to the starting. So how we can bring cross axis alignment. Cross axis alignment, let's start. Then next line is, okay, we need a padding there. So actually we can bring all the things we're going to give below inside a column, and column we can give a padding of all side 20. Okay, so SKU, the next line, let's bring all this, each section in a container. The container will have a column. The column first is the heading, and second one is the text, and this heading we will use as in a gray color as gray, and here we need to show the text. So how we can give the text is we need to bring the product details here. So you can say product. Okay, you need to import this product model, and when you press the specification, we need to pass the product there. So where it is, okay, here product is widget.product. Okay. Now just do a hot reload and close this. When you press here, you can see it's getting closer, and okay, now when you press it came, and this SKU. So what is the SKU we are going to show? We are going to show the SKU number, that is widget dot product dot SKU, right? So what will happen if you are not giving, and if you don't want to give an SKU, it should not show, right? So in that case, you can say if product dot SKU not equal to null only, that means if there is a data only, you show below details. So below this container, so one we given, and SKU here below the details. So we will put cross axis alignment dot start, and this SKU we need to show it separately. How we can show is, we'll add a padding. This will show here also. Okay, this padding we want to show only left around 30, and top around 4, and bottom around 4 or 6 will give. Yeah, then this we will make a little more changes. The changes will be that it will put inside a row, and we will add a size box of width of 10, and before that we will add an icon, that is icons.circle. Then the circle we can change the size to around 14. I think it will be okay. Okay, I'll change this again to 10. Now it's fine. Okay, so this is where we are going to show all the other details here. But let's make it as a separate widget, as a custom widget here. So how we can use this widget? Custom container program. Here, first thing we want to show the head. So let's say string inside curly brace. Inside curly brace, say string head. So that head will come here with an null check. Next one is the details. So that also maybe string, maybe number. We don't know, right? What's going to come. Okay, let's add now as a string details. Bring it here as details. Okay. Now, yeah, this container completely we will change and say custom container. Custom container, and first one is head. Head will say SKU. Second details is product.sku with an check. Hot reload. Okay, so that works fine. Next, what is in our product model? Next to say manage inventory, stock on hand, reward level, shipping charge. Brand we can show, right? So brand. So before this one actually should come in the bottom, all should come above. Okay, so if product dot brand not equal to null, only you need to show below details. What is that? Custom container. Head is brand and details is product.brand with another check. Got reload again. Okay, brand also came. I think we want to show at the end there is one more size box of 810. Okay, so next is size. Actually, size is a list of different sizes. Sometimes medium, large, all this list will come. Sometimes only one will come. So then if it is more than one different sizes, you need to select the sizes to make an order here, right? So later we will show that here, and from here you can select which one you want to order, then we can bring like that. So in specification we don't need to show that. So other details is there. Other details you don't need, let's no need to show other details. We can directly show the details there. So that let's say text, sorry, not here, here text product dot other details with a null check. Okay, so it says color red, something like that. Okay, we'll keep as it is. Next is unit. Okay, unit we need to show after brand. Again, this also you need to show before SKU, and it should say if product dot other details not equal to null, only need to show that. Okay, next again, if product dot unit not equal to null, then it should show the custom container, and the head is unit and the details is product.unit. Here's the null check. Need a size of 10 height. So brand showing, unit showing, and other details showing, and the end of that SKU. This is inventory number actually. Inventory number also showing. So now here it's showing our list of sizes, but we need to make some changes on that. Where it was. Okay, so here our problem is it stayed the whole screen. Okay, this one we have actually see we have made it large and all. Okay, let's change this the elevate and change this the scroll direction to horizontal axis dot horizontal. Now again put reload. Yeah, now it's showing nicely. Okay, let's reduce the size to 40 and elevated button you can give a padding of all size, so it will show nicely now variations and then I'll increase it to 50. Okay, so this is fine. Let's check other products how it shows. This one actually there is no size, so that is why it is showing. So what we need to do is we need to show all these inside a container, right? Okay, cut that one and sorry, inside a column and children, put that and cut this part, put it here. Okay, so for this one we didn't have any variations, so it should not show anything, right? Even the variations also should not show. So that's why I put all in inside a column, but it is showing something. That means it has the sizes. Let's see the print. Actually it is a list, right? So list is empty, that is why it is not showing. So instead of null, what we need to tell here is if it is the size list is not empty. If it is not empty, then show other things, because it's a list, so we need to mention like that. And its list is empty actually. Yeah, see, now it is correctly showing. Now if you go back, use another one, it shows. Again come back, use the one without list, it's okay. And this variation is goes in a side, that we need to correct it. So the variation should be variation. Because of this column we can say cross axis alignment to start. Okay, then another thing, we now need the both sides, right? You need to select one size before you buy, so we need to make changes here when you select. So instead of elevated button we will use outline button, right? Maybe that is more better, outline button. Then you can go to the style, button style, In the button style, let's say the background color, that is in material state property dot all. So here we need to give a background color. So background color is, for example, let's give let's say, let's give what is that? That is size, selected size, actually selected size. So it should be string, because it's coming as a string here. And if you come to init state, let's say set state, let's use set state here. Okay, set state and selected size. So by default the selected size will be selected size. Okay, that we need to do, we need to tell like that. If widget dot product, if the product has only one size, widget dot product dot size not equal to null, it should not be null. And if it is not null, okay, let's bring it in another function, get size. Get size. So get size, what is the size? How we can get the size? Size is if, okay, I have copied already that one, right? If size not equal to null, I mean if the size, I mean some size is there and the size not equal to null, and widget dot product dot size dot length is equal to 1, that means only one length, only one item is there in the list. Then set state selected size is equal to selected size equal to widget dot product dot widget dot product dot size of 0. So that is the first size. That means if there is no size, nothing will happen. Here it will not show anything. But if there are something, and if the length has only and the size has only one size, then that size will be the selected size. Otherwise, it will be null. Okay. So now come back here and let's say if background color, if selected size is equal to null, if selected size is equal to null, then colors will be white, colors dot white. Otherwise, we need to put our theme dot of context dot primary color. Okay, hot reload, and we need to go back and come again. Okay, we go back and come back. That means it is null, right? It is nothing. Nothing is selected. Now if you go and I select another one, it has a null value. What is that null value? Let's see. Product details screen. If size is not empty, that means if this one don't have a size. So if size is not empty and okay, if size is dot length, actually this one don't have a size even. So if size is not empty, so let's say sometime if it is null also, so we need to mention that also here, not equal to null and it's not empty. Both should come. Yeah. Now if we go another one, this also have two, this also have two, and this one don't have anything. Anything means Yeah, actually, what is the size we have for the font? How we will know? Let's print that again. Widget dot product dot size. It has a size. Actually, the text color also came orange color. That is the problem actually. So what we can do is, okay, now this text color also we need to change. Style, text style, color, text color. If selected size is equal to null, that means selected style is equal to null, then color, let's say, is equal to null, then let's show our theme color. For colors or black color. If it is not null, then color will be white. So now you can see this has only one size, so it is showing as highlighted. But if you go with other product and this one have two, and that's why it is not showing highlighted. Now if you want to select a size, you need to press, then the color should change. So when you press, we can say set state selected size is equal to selected size is equal to E. The E came from where? E came from here, right? Okay. Okay, now I press this M, both is happening, so it is not correct. Again I came back, press M, so both is changing. So how we can do is, okay, actually what is the problem is, here we have given the background color. The background color selected is not, this is not wrong. What you have to do is selected size is equal to E. I mean selected is equal to null, then this one, actually if selected size is equal to E, then this color, otherwise we need to show white. Same like here, if selected size is equal to E, then colors dot white, otherwise colors dot black. Now do I have to reload? Yeah, now you can see L only, the large is selected. Okay, if you select my medium, the medium is selected. So like that, can select a product. So if it is only one list, already it will be selected the one, otherwise you need to manually select the sizes from here. Okay, now we have got all the details and almost everything we have shown here. If you go specifications, all the things you have given, you can show here also. Then there are some other details, and later we can add questions about the product. That options also we can give in the below this rating. And we need to work on this address selecting of to select an address, that will work on later. And now when you press buy, what should happen is it should check whether we have selected any variations or not. If it is selected, then next you need to check you have selected any delivery address or not. So this is the thing. So if already selected the variations, then if it is not set any address, then it will go to Google Map to select the address, or else it will directly you can buy or add to cart. If you are pressing add to cart, the address we will not consider. We will consider only the variations. So that's the things we're going to do now. So if you say buy now, you can see when you print, it will show selected size. Okay, now I press buy now, then it will print the selected size. So okay, this works fine. So we will continue. I'll continue with the next video where we will work on this what we will work next video, we will work with delivery address. So delivery address we will work out. Yeah, Google Map we can work on with the next video. So till then, bye.